Number 1. Taking your puppy away from his parents for the first time is a very stressful event for him. So when you get him home, let him explore, get used to the new smells and sounds. He may be thirsty, so introduce him to his drinking and feeding area. Show him his new basket just in case he is tired. Remember, puppies do sleep for a long time. But most of all, be there for your puppy. Reassurance at this time is very important. A cuddle when he needs it will also help you both to bond together. Number 2. Get your puppy registered with a vet as soon as possible and get him started on his course of vaccinations. Puppies are very vulnerable to many nasty diseases. Your puppy is part of your family now, and it would be a disaster to see them get ill from a disease that is preventable. Also, a good pet insurance would save you from expensive vets bills should your puppy need any treatment. Remember, until your puppy has had his full course of vaccinations, you should restrict his mixing with other dogs until it is safe to do so. Also, when you are registered with a vet, a small monthly fee will cover all your puppy's vaccinations and future boosters. You should also get nail clipping and 6 monthly health checks as part of this fee. Number 3. Remember, your dog is a puppy and loves to play. Buy him good quality toys. Buy a ball that he can chase and teach him to bring it back. Or buy a toy that he likes to play tug with. This is another way for you to interact with him. It is good exercise for him and is good for the general well-being of both of you. Even when you are tired, you should not neglect this important play period for your puppy. Sending them away will affect them negatively mentally and make them more likely to become withdrawn. Number 4. Buy a good quality teething ring. Your puppy's new teeth will soon start coming through and will be an irritation to him. The urge to chew to relieve things will be high. A teething ring should be introduced to him in an effort to prevent them from chewing furniture, electrical wires, etc. At this point, the tone of your voice should be used to indicate to your puppy displeasure should they chew anything vital, and the teething ring should be given immediately. Stick with it. It's just a passing phase, something with good training he will grow out of. Number 5. Feed your puppy with a good quality puppy food. Try to restrict treats for times of training. Remember, your puppy can eat carrots, broccoli, potato, rice, etc., and should be introduced to a well-balanced diet. Under no circumstances should bones of any kind, raw or cooked, be fed to your dog, and chocolate should never be fed as a treat.